Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys how to factor the quadratic formula ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. If x1 and x2 are two solutions for the quadratic formula, then the formula can be factored as a times x minus x1 times x minus x2. Here is the example. For x squared minus 9x plus 5 equals 0. This quadratic formula has a solution x1 equal 1 and x2 equal 5 over 4. So this quadratic formula can be factored as a is 4 minus times x minus x1 is 1 times x minus x2 is 5 over 4. Or we can distribute number 4 inside, so we have x minus x1 minus 1 times 4x minus 5. So how to find out the solution for a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0? There are many ways to find the solution for this quadratic equation, but I think this formula they call quadratic formula is the easiest way to solve for any quadratic equation. First of all, you need to go find delta, and you have to memorize this one. Delta equal b squared minus ac. Alright, b squared minus ac, we always remember that. And we will find out a number of delta in which we will check if delta less than 0. So the quadratic equation has no solution. In this case, we cannot factor the quadratic equation because it's a no solution, so we cannot apply the formula a x minus x1 times x minus x2. Okay, in this case we cannot factor this quadratic expression. If delta equals 0, there are two solutions with the same value. X1 equal x2 equal negative b over 2a. In this case, we can factor the two with the two values are the same. So we still apply the formula ax minus x1 times x minus x2. Alright, and in the case delta is greater than 0, so there are two separate solutions. X1 is negative b plus square root delta divided by 2a, and x2 is negative b minus square root delta divided by 2a. And of course, in this case, we will apply the formula ax minus x1 times x minus x2. Alright, this is an example of a quadratic quadratic equation. So first of all, we will go to find delta equal b square minus 4ac equal a square minus 4 times 4 times 10 equal 64 minus 160 equal negative 96. Alright, so delta equal negative 96 is smaller than 0. So the quadratic equation has no solution. So in this case, we cannot factor. Okay, cannot factor for x squared plus ax plus 10. Here's another example. 2x squared. Let's do this one. It's easier. 4x squared plus ax plus 16, right, equals 0. Right? Wait, I'm sorry. So 4x plus 4 equals 0. Alright, so we'll go ahead and find out delta. Equal b squared, a squared minus 4 ac, 4 times 4 times 4, equal 64 minus 64 equals 0. Delta equals 0. The quadratic the quadratic equation has two solutions. X1 equal x2 equal negative b over 2a equal negative a over 2 times 4 equal negative 1. Alright, so we apply the formula. A is 4, x minus x1 is a minus minus 1 is a plus 1, and then a x minus x2 is a x plus 1, or we can distribute it, or equal 4 equal x plus 1 square. Okay, here's another example. X squared plus 4x plus 9 take away 2 equals 0. So we go ahead and find delta. Delta equal b squared minus 4ac equal 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 2 equal 16 plus a equal 24. Right, so square root of delta equals square root of 24. By the way, 24 is greater than 2. Less than 0. So the quadratic equation has two solutions. So we will find the square root of delta equals square root of 24 equal square root of 6 times 4 and equal to square root 6, because number 4, when you square root, number 4 is equal to. Alright, so the quadratic equation, we have two solutions. X1 equal negative b plus square root delta divided by 2a equal negative 4 plus 2 square root 6 divided by 2. Or we can divide both the top and bottom by 2. We got negative 2 plus square root 6. And x2 will equal negative b minus square root delta divided by 2a equal negative 4 minus 2 square root 6 divided by 2. Divide both top and bottom for 2. We got negative 2 minus square root 6. Alright, so in this case we apply the formula. We will factor x squared plus 4x divided by take away 2 equal a is 1, x minus x1 is x minus negative 2 plus square root 6, and then x minus x2 is x minus, we have to do like that, x minus negative 2 minus square root 6. Simplify, we have x plus 2 take away square root 6 times x plus 2 plus square root 6. Alright, thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.